Good morning. It's not even morning. It's almost 1 o'clock. Wow. Hi, Sammy. I'm right here. I'm right here. All right, let's see if I can do this again. She's down here sitting with me. So, what did I say? It's Saturday. I'm working here in the museum. I work Saturday, Sunday, Mondays. And I was thinking, what am I going to do a video on today? I think I'm pretty much out of footage. Might have a little bit of random clips here and there. So I was thinking, there's got to be something in the museum. But probably, well, I have a bunch of things in the museum that are my favorite that I have to go look at every once in a while. So I was gonna show you, play one of my most favorite things in the museum. One, because it's sentimental. I don't think I've shown it. I might have shown it briefly, but I'm going to talk about it and tell you why it's sentimental and why I love this item so much. I guess the name of this video is, if I could take one thing home with me from the museum, what would it be? Let's go see. Okay, here it is. So this is the cash register that we have in the museum, and we use it. Obviously, it doesn't add and all that stuff. Why is this one of my favorite items here in the museum? Is because my grandmother, she owned a cafe, and back in the 50s up to the 70s, I think. And she had one of these in her cafe for a long time. I don't know when she replaced it and got rid of it, but I'll tell you how I was involved with it. But anyway, everything is exactly like my grandmother's except the top, which it had a metal top. This has got a glass top, but it had the same kind of, and it would lift off. And this piece right here wasn't on here. So I'll see if I can find a replica, like on eBay or something. But old, new. Yeah, I don't really know. Is it a crank was there or something? I'm not really sure what that is. But it had the marble top. It's the National Cash Register Company. But yeah, and this lid opens. Yeah, it's same thing. It had the key here, and then this is like a counter, I think. I can't remember, and I don't really mess with this one. But anyway, exactly except this was like my grandmother's. So these things weigh a ton. I don't even know how much they weigh, but my grandmother put her cash register out in her garage. So every time I went to visit her, she lived in a different town, I wanted to play with the cash register. So I was a young age, and my dad would go out. She had a garage that was not attached to the house. It was across the yard, actually, and it had a dirt floor. So it was just basically, and it didn't have a garage door on it. It was just basically kind of like a carport, but it had walls. And it was set on the floor, or on the ground, because it was dirt floor. And my dad would have to pick it up and carry it into the house so I could play with it. And so my grandmother, she owned the cafe, so she was a waitress and a cook, and she was everything. So I would play waitress, and I'd pull dishes out of her cabinet, and she'd let me play. And of course, we had the little restaurant. Did you take the order on? Pads? The like green ones? And so I'd play with those. And then back in the day, you didn't get because it was a little bitty town, you didn't get checks that had your account number and routing number on them. You just got these blank checks. And I guess they just knew who you were. But anyway, so I had those blank checks too. So I used to play cash register. I used to play restaurant. And so my dad or my mom, I'm not sure, or my grandmother, one of them said, every time you come, what you should do is write on a log every time you've played with it. So I started that. I need to put this phone down. Oh, there. So I started that. So let me show you the drawer. So here's the drawer. And this is where you put your money. Well, your dollar bills. Anyway, I kept a log, like a sticky note or something, log in here. Every time I would go visit my grandmother, I'd write the day, the date, I think even maybe sometimes why I was there visiting her or what we were doing, if it was just for the weekend or I was there for a week or whatever. And then I would say, I played with this on whatever date, and I would put it in there. So I had years and years and years of logs in there every time I went to play with it. So as I got older, obviously I didn't play cafe anymore, but I kept up the tradition, and I mean even up to when I was 16 or 17, 18 years old. My dad would not carry the cash register in the house anymore because I wasn't playing with it. But I would go out to the garage, open it up, pull out that paper, and write on it. I played with this. I'm 19 years old, whatever it was. I did that until my grandmother passed away, and I got the cash register. And I had it all those years. And it was out at my mom and dad's shop building, and it got stolen. So I do not have the cash register obviously anymore. And but every time I come to work and open this drawer, and while I'm working and I open this drawer, it always reminds me of that time, and it's making me teary. So anyway, had a blast with it, and it just brings back so many memories. These things are heavy. I mean, I can't even lift it up. It's crazy how heavy they are. But anyway, that is probably my number one favorite item here in the museum. And I just thought I would show it to you and tell you the story behind it and why I love it so much. There it is. I looked at on eBay just to see, curious. They're only a few $100s, but I bet the shipping on these things are hundreds of dollars. But anyway, I will show you in another video one of my other favorite pieces in the museum.